Electric cars have become increasingly popular in recent years, with many major car manufacturers investing heavily in developing new electric vehicles. As technology advances, the cars of the future will undoubtedly look very different from the ones we have today. Here are 5 design options for what the electric cars of the future may look like. Aerodynamic and streamlined. One possibility for the design of future electric cars is a focus on aerodynamics and streamlined shapes. By reducing air resistance and drag, these cars will be able to travel faster and use less energy. This design may include a lower profile, smooth lines, and advanced materials that minimize weight and maximize efficiency. Futuristic and innovative. Another option is to embrace a more futuristic design with innovative and bold shapes. This may include unconventional seating arrangements, unique body materials, and cutting-edge technology such as holographic displays or autonomous driving capabilities. These cars may also include advanced AI systems that can learn and adapt to the driver's preferences over time. Sustainable and eco-friendly. As the world becomes more aware of the importance of sustainability, electric cars of the future may incorporate eco-friendly design elements. This could include the use of recycled materials, sustainable energy sources, and carbon-neutral manufacturing processes. These cars may also incorporate features like solar panels or wind turbines to generate power while on the move. Modular and customizable. With the rise of 3D printing and other advanced manufacturing techniques, it may be possible to create electric cars that are more modular and customizable. Drivers may be able to select the exact features and design elements they want, allowing them to create a car that perfectly suits their needs and preferences. These cars may also be more easily repairable and upgradeable, reducing waste and improving sustainability. Retro and nostalgic. Finally, it's possible that some electric cars of the future may embrace a more retro and nostalgic design. This could include the use of classic materials like chrome or leather, or the incorporation of vintage design elements like fins or hood ornaments. These cars may be marketed to consumers who are looking for a classic look and feel combined with the latest technology and eco-friendly features. In conclusion, the electric cars of the future will likely incorporate a wide range of design elements, from futuristic and innovative to retro and nostalgic. As technology continues to advance, it will be exciting to see how car manufacturers incorporate these design elements into their vehicles, creating a new generation of electric cars that are efficient, sustainable, and visually stunning.